Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. In every serious kitchen, there are ingredients that define the work before a single dish is made. Unsalted butter begins with restraint, clean, neutral, allowing technique and intention to lead. Salted butter follows balanced and assured grounding flavor with quiet confidence. European style butter brings depth and heritage, its richness shaped by tradition and time. Clarified butter refines the craft, engineered for control, clarity, and heat. And ghee carries butter beyond the familiar, slowly transformed, aromatic, and elemental. These are not luxuries added at the end, but foundations chosen at the beginning, shaping texture, tone, and memory. This is an exploration of butter not as an ingredient, but as a discipline, and the details that elevate cooking into a craft. Thank you and have fun cooking.